How crucial is for your company's success to build and manage customer relationships? It's all about creating and maintaining profitable connections by consistently delivering exceptional value and ensuring satisfaction. Satisfied customers are more likely to remain loyal and become enthusiastic advocates. How can your company achieve this? First, customer engagement marketing encourages direct and ongoing customer participation in shaping brand conversations and experiences. Companies leverage online, mobile, and social media platforms to enhance interaction and engagement, fostering a strong brand community. This approach helps in creating a deeper connection with customers. Second, consumer-generated marketing involves consumers creating and sharing brand-related content. This can happen spontaneously on blogs, video sharing sites, and social media, or by inviting customers to contribute to product development and brand storytelling. It empowers customers to influence their own brand experiences. Third, partner relationship management entails collaborating closely with internal departments and external partners, such as suppliers and channel partners, to deliver greater value to customers. Every functional area within an organization has opportunities to engage with and serve customers effectively, enhancing overall satisfaction. Remember, by prioritizing effective customer relationship management strategies, your company can enhance customer satisfaction, loyalty, and ultimately achieve sustainable business success. Since it's 5 times cheaper to keep an old customer than acquire a new one, retaining loyal customers is cost-effective and significantly boosts customer lifetime value. Thanks for watching.